Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Brain, the place where you can relax, listen, and grow your English step by step.
Hi, friends. Today we're talking about a powerful topic, motivation.
Motivation is your why. It is the reason you do something.
And if you are learning English, motivation is what helps you continue, even on hard days.
Maybe you feel this problem. Some days you feel excited to learn English.
But other days you feel tired, busy, or you think, my English is too slow.
If you feel that, you are not alone. That is normal.
And today we will show you a calm, simple way to talk about motivation in English and to protect your motivation too.
In a minute, we'll share a simple trick that can change how you feel about motivation when it goes down.
So stay with us and think about your future English self, the version of you who speaks more freely and feels more confident.
Let's start with a very simple question. How are you today?
I'm doing well, a little tired but good. How about you?
I'm good. I had coffee this morning and it helped me wake up.
Coffee is a strong motivation. It can get you out of bed fast.
Exactly, and this is a good point. Motivation can be small.
It can be a smell, a feeling, or a simple reward.
Let's teach the first easy way to talk about motivation. Use because.
Yes, because is simple and powerful.
For example, I got up because I wanted coffee.
Or, I'm studying English because I want a better job.
That's clear English, no big words.
And it answers the question, why?
Now, let's make it more personal. Do you have plans for the weekend?
Yes, my plan is to rest. I work hard all week. I want a quiet weekend.
So you can say, my motivation for the weekend is to relax.
Nice. And what about you? What is your weekend motivation?
Mine is different. I want to clean my home.
Clean your home? That doesn't sound fun.
Not for fun. My motivation is simple. I feel better when my home is clean.
That makes sense. A tidy space can make your mind feel calm.
So we already used two useful patterns.
Pattern 1, I do it because. Pattern 2, my motivation is.
Now, micro challenge number 1.
Listener, now you try. Say one sentence out loud. I'm learning English because.
Keep it simple. Because I want to travel. Because I want a better job. Because I like English movies.
Great. One sentence is enough. You are training your voice and your confidence.
Now, let's talk about motivation changing. This is important.
Yes, sometimes your motivation disappears and you feel confused.
Imagine someone starts learning a language for travel. They plan a trip. They study a lot.
Then the trip is canceled and suddenly the motivation goes away.
That happens in real life.
And the lesson is, motivation is often connected to a goal. When the goal changes, motivation can change too.
But this is not the end. You can choose a new motivation.
You can connect your learning to a person, a new goal, or simple enjoyment.
For example, I'm learning English to talk to my friend.
Or, I'm learning English for fun. I enjoy it.
Now, another very useful phrase. I'm doing this for.
Yes, for shows the reason or purpose.
I'm studying English for my career.
I'm practicing English for my future.
Great. And we also have a slightly more advanced phrase, so that.
So that shows the result you want.
Example, I'm practicing pronunciation so that people can understand me.
Or, I'm learning email phrases so that I can sound professional at work.
These are very useful in interviews and meetings.
And they are also useful in daily life because they explain your goal clearly.
Let's do a short mini dialogue with these phrases.
Okay, You ask me about English.
Why are you learning English?
I'm learning English because I want to travel.
Nice. Anything else?
Yes, I'm studying English for my future job.
And what result do you want?
I'm practicing speaking so that I can talk confidently with customers.
Perfect. Clear and professional, but still simple.
And remember, simple English is not bad English. Simple English is strong English.
Now, we promised a simple trick for low motivation. Here it is.
The trick is make the task smaller.
Yes, when a goal feels huge, motivation becomes zero.
For example, clean the whole apartment. That feels big and heavy.
But clean the table for 5 minutes feels possible.
Small task, small win.
And this is perfect for learning English.
Don't say, I must be fluent. That is a big mountain.
Say, today I will learn 3 words. That is a small step.
Or, today I will practice speaking for 5 minutes. Small and realistic.
Micro challenge number 2.
Listener, now you try. Say one small English goal for today. Start with, today I will.
For example, today I will learn 3 new words.
Or, today I will practice speaking for 5 minutes.
Good. That sentence is motivation in action.
And your future English self loves small daily promises like that.
Now, let's talk about what can destroy motivation.
One big one is comparison, comparing yourself to other people.
Yes, you see someone speaking perfect English and you think, I'm terrible.
That thought is dangerous because it makes you want to stop.
Here is a better idea. Compare yourself to your past self.
Ask, what can I do now that I could not do 1 month ago?
Maybe 1 month ago, you could not write a short email.
But now you can write, I hope you're doing well, and just to confirm.
That is progress, and progress creates motivation.
So keep a small notebook or note file. Write what you learn, then look back later.
Now, let's practice a short role play.
Okay, you are the teacher. I am the student who lost motivation.
Hi, how is your English practice going?
Not good. I feel unmotivated. English feels difficult.
I understand. Why did you start learning English?
I started because I like English songs. I want to understand them.
That is a great reason. Do you still like English songs?
Yes, I love them.
Then let's make your goal small and fun. Listen to one song, read the lyrics, learn 3 words.
Only 3 words? That feels easy.
Yes, small goal, no pressure.
That makes me feel better. I feel motivated again.
That role play is very real. Sometimes motivation returns when you return to joy.
Yes, fun is a strong fuel.
Now, let's give a simple routine you can follow this week.
A calm motivation routine, not a stressful plan.
Step 1. Write your why in one sentence. I'm learning English because...
Step 2. Choose a small daily goal. Today I will...
Step 3. Choose a small reward. Tea, a short walk, a favorite song.
Step 4. Track one small win each day. 1 word, 1 sentence, 1 listening session.
This is how you build your future English self.
Not with one big miracle day, but with many small calm days.
Micro challenge number 3.
Listener, say 1 sentence now. My motivation this week is...
It can be small. My motivation this week is to understand one video.
Or, my motivation this week is to speak 1 minute every day.
Beautiful. Now it's time for the question of the day.
What is one small, joyful motivation you have for learning English this week?
write it in the comments with a simple sentence. This week, I'm learning English because...
And if you want, add one small goal. This week, I will.
If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the English Brain.
Share it with a friend who needs calm motivation too.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep going step by step. Your future English self is growing quietly every day.